Alright, David here with you. And I wanted to do this video. Lord have mercy, as soon as I start, the phone goes off. I want to do this video for you guys that maybe are wanting to flip washers and dryers, but you never really got into the appliances yet. I know I have a few people here on my channel that maybe have never broke down dryers or maybe touched dryers. So I want to do a dryer series real fast. And this is just the basics, okay? The dryer here on the left is a Mana dryer, which is made by Whirlpool. And the dryer on the right is a Kenmore, okay? The Mana dryer, it looks newer. The Kenmore, it looks older, okay? But I want to show you that they're the same, okay? So anytime that you have a dryer that has a lint filter up here on the top like this, okay? See, this one has a lint filter on the top. What this means is that both of these dryers, the heating elements are on the back. They got the same kind of lid switches. That lid switch right here. Same. See that one over there? That one's actually broke. But it's the same. This is a Kenmore, this is a Whirlpool. This one's newer, this one's older. But they break down the same. Okay? And in order to get inside of these two here, if you notice right here, you're going to have two Phillips head screws. Okay? On the Kenmore, you got the same thing. You remove those Phillips head screws, and that's going to allow you to, I like to reach my hand around here and pull this forward like this, because there's clips under here, and that's going to allow you to lift this up in order to get to the 5/16 screws that's holding this panel on here. Okay, I'll do a video on breaking them down, but I just wanted to show you guys that when you're looking at these appliances, one's older, one's newer, but they're the same. Okay? The heating element's the same, thermostats are the same. The only difference that may be on these dryers is, of course, the timers. If you look at this timer here, it's got your more dry, your energy preferred, dry less. Okay? Look, this one's different. Okay? So the dryers, timers are different. The motors are the same. The belts are the same. The roller kits are the same. Lid switches are the same. Heating element, thermostat, idler pulley. All these are the same in these dryers. The only thing that's different is going to be the timer. Okay, so this is just a little simple breakdown. I wanted to do a breakdown series because I want to touch on everything as far as these dryers go. Okay, because I think everybody should start on dryers. You can make money just flipping dryers. Okay, the more you understand dryers, the more that you can move on to other things. But these are the same. I just wanted to show you guys that. Thank you for watching the video. Please hit the like and subscribe button.